everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a card I made myself at home, and I'm going to show you how the card I made, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So I'll first show you the card. You can use this for any kind of day, and I made one for happy birthday. So you can write happy birthday or whatever you need to, and then to, and then from. First, we'll open it from here. So if it's a boy or a girl, you draw it, whoever it is. And then it's a present. From here it opens to a longer present. Here there's a big heart. And a small present. There's the birthday hat, and it's little smiling because it says birthday. But when it says happy, it's smiling a lot. So then you open this part. This is a favorite game. You can draw whatever it is. And you open these together. Happy birthday, and then there's a cake. Here, there's a little hat with a star. And then there's happy. There's an emoji of happy. And then there's birthday, and then it's a big smiling, just like that one. So let's start making it. First, let me tell you the stuff you need. You will need a paper, some scissors, and an eraser and a pencil, just in case you might need, if you need to erase. A pen, I'm going to use it, and some other decorative stuff like markers and crayons. First, you need to make a square. So you'll start folding it like this, and this has to be like the same, and make it touch there. Then you can draw a line over here and then cut that out. Now you can unfold this, and then you can start cutting. Now we have a square. So let's look here. So first we'll have to make this square into little tiny pieces of square. So we can then fold. First fold it to your left, so you can make a rectangle. And then fold it one more time to the left, so it's kind of more thin. Then you can make it fold down, it's kind of smaller. And one more down, so it's into a little square. So it's a little square, just like this. So each one there will be. And then you can open it. Now it's kind of looking like this. First, get your scissors, and then we'll cut this here, so we can fold it up. And then go around and do the opposite side. Right there. So fold it like that, so you don't get confused about it. Next, down here from this row, we're gonna cut here. 2 squares, which we will fold. One like this, and the other the same. And then here on the top row, we're gonna cut this, and the opposite side, we're gonna cut this. So now we can fold it inside. And now we just need to fold this here and this down, up, and this down. This comes here like this. Remember our present. And now we can fold it like this. Our person and the front. Now you can start decorating the card. First, I'm gonna make it for Christmas. So I'm gonna write Happy Christmas with my pen. Merry Christmas. Now I can write to and from. I'm gonna do it for my mom. To Mom and from Dia. You can add stickers or whatever you want for extra decoration. Now I'm gonna teach you how to draw a girl. If you're drawing a boy, you can look here. Let me just fold this real quick. So let's start drawing. It's basically almost the same steps. I'm gonna use a pencil if I make mistakes. So first you're gonna start drawing a U. And then here, little hanging outs. If you're a boy, you can draw that head. But if you're a girl, you can from here go above that and draw long hair. You can draw them longer. Then you can draw the eyes. Both sides should be equal, almost equal. And then a smiley face. You can add hair stuff if you want, like hairband or something. Now we're gonna draw the neck really small, like another U, which is wider. For the t-shirt, and you can draw like this. If you're a boy, if you're drawing a t-shirt, you can do this. And then I'm drawing a girl, so I'm gonna draw a skirt. You can draw jeans, like right there. And you can now draw the legs. Like that, and then the hands, little thumb, and then the rest are together. No need to draw fingers. You can add little lines if you want. Little lines like there for fingers. And you can design your t-shirt or skirt however you want. Now let's open it this way. We get presents on Christmas, so I'm gonna draw a present. Make sure you have room for the wrapping, like right here, that thing. So draw a square first. And then you can draw kinda a balloonish thing and inside it, so that's the whole ribbon. This is just the background. So here you can draw the ribbon pieces, kinda if they're joining in. You see they're kind of joining the picture. And now you can draw the other side. Like that. And you can color again. Now we're gonna draw a longer one. Here, we just made the 2 lines come because that's gonna have to come. But first we need to make sure we have a small present here because that's also gonna be a part when we open this. Small present. You can draw kind of box shapes like this if you don't want anything coming in the middle, like there. And then draw the top part, and you can connect it with the lines. And just that way. You can erase these parts with your loops. Now we're gonna open here. You can draw something you want. I'm gonna draw some cookies for Santa and some milk. Glass of milk. And a straw. Round cookie with chocolate chips. Another one. Now I can draw Mary. I can write Mary. Mary. And then just some jingle bells I can draw. And then I can write the full thing, Merry Christmas. I can draw an exclamation mark if I want. Now here we can do something you want. Here I'm going to draw a Christmas tree. So here I'm going to draw a sock, because that's where Santa puts candy in. It can be a little hard, so don't just keep going because it might just come here instead of going there. So stop and then you can keep continuing. So, now we can draw the Christmas tree. First you make kind of a triangle, but don't make its bottom. Then you make that, then larger. The same the other side. You can draw a little stand. And you can decorate with bells and whatever you want. You can write Merry Christmas, but I don't want to because I wrote it so many times. So you can open here. Now you can draw something here. I'm gonna draw candy. It looks more like a bow. And then I can write Merry Christmas again if I want. Merry Christmas. And maybe I'll draw a little candy cane. So that's the card. Now you can color it if you want. And you can trace it with your pen. So we're done with our card, so you can color it anytime you want. But hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys liked the card. So bye for now.